Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you a simple yet essential skill on how to copy and paste text. It's a technique that will come in handy in so many situations. So let's get started. The first step is to select the text you want to copy. Just click and drag your mouse over the text you wish to duplicate. Once it's highlighted, you're ready to copy. To copy the text, you can either right-click on the selected text and choose Copy from the menu, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac. Easy, right? Now that you have copied the text, let's paste it where you want it to go. Navigate to the destination area and click on it to place the text there. So to paste the text, right-click on the text field and select Paste from the menu. Or, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac. And there you have it! The text is now pasted. Here are a few bonus tips to make your life even easier. You can copy and paste across different applications like from a website to a document. If you want to copy multiple items, some operating systems have a clipboard history feature to help you with that. And remember, the clipboard can hold only one item at a time, so be careful not to overwrite something you've copied before. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you're a pro at copying and pasting text. Once again, thank you for watching how to copy and paste text, and I'll see you on my next video.